how to flip between profile picture and avatar on Facebook. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Then simply tap on the profile icon available in the top left corner of your screen to navigate to the profile. Once on profile, simply tap on the three dot option available there. And once you tap on the three dot, simply tap on the edit from there. Then inside edit, scroll down and there you'll get to see avatar option available there. So if you have not made any avatar, then simply create a new avatar according to your preferences. So here you can see you can create an avatar. So after your avatar has been made, just make sure that the show on profile option is turned on or toggled on right below the avatar. So after all this is done, then go back to the profile. Now once on profile, swipe your profile picture. So here you can see. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.